This is the 2025 convertible lineup, and it's a bigger deal than you might think. For years, convertibles seem to be fading away, replaced by SUVs and sunroofs. But in 2025, the drop top is back in a big way. Car makers are investing heavily, blending cutting-edge tech, luxury and performance into these open-air machines. From electric powertrains to classic V8s, the diversity is staggering. Today I'll take you through the most exciting, innovative and desirable convertibles of 2025, cars that define this new golden age. Let's dive into the quirks, features and what makes each of these convertibles truly special. First up, the 2025 Porsche 718 Boxster EV, a car that's stirring up controversy and excitement. Purists may mourn the loss of the flat six, but Porsche is betting big on electric. This isn't just a gas Boxster with batteries, it's a ground-up EV, built for balance and agility. The E-Core battery layout stacks cells vertically behind the seats, mimicking the mid-engine weight distribution. The result? Classic Boxster handling, now with instant electric torque. Expect 0. 60 times rivaling the 911 Carrera delivered in near silence. Inside, the cockpit is minimalist and digital, inspired by the Taycan, but with tactile controls for that Porsche feel. The big question: can a silent Boxster capture the soul of the original? Porsche is experimenting with synthetic sound, but it's a new kind of thrill. Performance specs are still secret, but rumors point to RWD and AWD versions, with top models pushing 500+ horsepower. The Mission R-inspired styling is sleek and aggressive, with signature LED lighting. This Boxster EV is a bold leap, risking tradition to redefine the electric sports car. Porsche is betting it can still deliver that Sunday morning smile even without the roar. It's not just a new car, it's a statement about the future of driving pleasure. Will it win over the purists? Time will tell. But one thing's certain, the Boxster EV is a pivotal moment for Porsche and for convertibles everywhere. It's a car designed to thrill, challenge expectations, and lead the charge into the electric era. The question isn't just, is it a real Boxster? It's, is this the future of fun? Porsche thinks so, and they're all in. The 718 Boxster EV, the most radical Boxster yet. And maybe, just maybe, the most important. Next, the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i convertible that sticks to tradition, but with a sharper edge. The facelift brings a more aggressive front end with a wider grille and sculpted air intakes. It's not just for looks. The new design improves aerodynamics and high-speed stability. Under the hood, BMW's legendary B58 3.0-liter turbo inline-six delivers 382 horsepower and a classic straight-six soundtrack. With the top down, every drive is a symphony of engine and exhaust. The Z4 M40i balances comfort and performance with adaptive M suspension and an M Sport differential. Switch from Comfort to Sport Plus, and the car transforms from cruiser to corner carver. The soft top is light, quick to operate, and preserves trunk space, a practical touch. Inside, you get BMW's high-quality materials, digital displays, and intuitive iDrive system. Supportive seats and a driver-focused layout make it perfect for both spirited drives and long trips. The Z4 M40i isn't a revolution, it's a refinement. BMW has sharpened the dynamics, kept the glorious inline-six, and made the Z4 more compelling than ever. For those not ready to go electric, this is the peak of the classic roadster formula. It's a celebration of rear-wheel drive, open-air motoring, and the joy of a great engine. In a world racing toward electrification, the Z4 M40i is a reminder of why we fell in love with convertibles in the first place. It's the old-school thrill, perfected for today. The Z4 M40i, a modern classic, and a love letter to the traditional sports car. If you crave the sound, the feel, and the connection, this is your car. BMW isn't reinventing the wheel, they're making it spin faster and with more style. The Z4 M40i stands as a benchmark for what a pure internal combustion roadster can be. It's proof that sometimes the best way forward is to double down on what you do best. For 2025, BMW's message is clear: the thrill of driving is alive and well. The Z4 M40i is here to prove it, and it does every time you drop the top and hit the gas. Let's explore the Maserati MC20 Cielo. Cielo means sky, and this convertible is all about open-air driving. The Cielo's design is even more dramatic with the top down. Its highlight? A retractable electrochromic glass roof that switches from opaque to transparent. Enjoy the sky even when the weather isn't perfect, or drop the top in just 12 seconds. Under the hood, Maserati's Nettuno 3.0L twin-turbo V6 delivers 621 horsepower using F1-inspired tech. It hits 0, 60 in under 3 seconds and a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps it light and rigid, so handling is razor sharp. The Cielo is agile, balanced, and confidence-inspiring. Inside it's a blend of luxury and race-inspired minimalism, carbon fiber, Alcantara, and digital displays. Butterfly doors add drama. The MC20 Cielo is about emotion, artistry, and the thrill of the drive. Maserati is back, challenging Ferrari and McLaren with a car that's both beautiful and brutally fast. The electrochromic roof blends coupe comfort with convertible freedom. This is a supercar for those who want performance and style but also crave something unique. The MC20 Cielo is a statement. It's for drivers who want to feel the sky, the speed, and the soul of Italy. The MC20 Cielo breathtaking and unforgettable. It's not just a convertible, it's an experience. Maserati's message is clear, the sky's the limit. The MC20 Cielo is more than a car, it's a work of art. And it's one of the most desirable convertibles on the planet. For those who want to feel on top of the world, the Cielo delivers. With nothing but the sky above you. Shifting gears, let's talk about the 2025 Mini Cooper Convertible EV, a concept that's about to become reality. Mini's first electric convertible blends the brand's iconic style with zero-emissions fun. The go-kart handling and instant torque of an EV make this Mini perfect for city adventures. Classic Mini design cues remain, but the look is cleaner and more modern, with closed-off grilles and electric accents. The Union Jack soft top and taillights add playful British flair. The roof opens in 18 seconds and even has a sunroof mode for quick bursts of fresh air. Inside, a massive circular OLED touchscreen dominates, blending digital innovation with classic Mini toggles. The cabin uses recycled materials, ditching leather and chrome for a sustainable, stylish vibe. Expect a range around 250 miles, ideal for urban commutes and weekend escapes. This isn't a cross-country cruiser, it's about maximizing city fun with the top down. The Mini convertible EV proves electric cars can be full of personality and joy. It's not trying to outgun supercars, it's carving out its own niche, the premium, all-electric city convertible. For eco-conscious drivers who want style, fun, and open-air freedom, this Mini is a game-changer. It's a little bundle of electric joy, ready to make every drive an event. Mini is showing that the future of convertibles can be green, playful, and exciting. The convertible EV is a bold step for the brand, and a sign of things to come. If you want a car that's as fun as your lifestyle, this is it. The Mini Cooper Convertible EV, small, sustainable, and seriously fun. The city just got a lot more interesting. Finally, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Convertible, the ultimate American performance drop top. At its heart, the LT6, a 5.5L naturally aspirated flat-plane crank V8, screaming to 8,600 revolutions per minute and making 670 horsepower. No turbos, no superchargers, just pure high-revving power. The Z06's sound is exotic, raw, and unforgettable, especially with the top down. 0-60 in 2.6 seconds developed alongside the C8R race car and available with the Z07 performance package for true track dominance. Thanks to the mid-engine chassis, the convertible needs no extra bracing, so you get full performance, open air. The power retractable hardtop folds in 16 seconds, keeping the car's sleek profile and leaving trunk space untouched. Magnetic ride control adapts instantly, making the Z06 both comfortable and razor-sharp. The driving experience is intense, telepathic steering, massive brakes, and grip that defies belief. Inside, it's all about the driver. Carbon fiber, bolstered seats, and configurable digital displays. The Z06 convertible isn't just a car, it's a declaration that America can build a world-beating supercar. It undercuts European rivals on price but matches them on performance and drama. This is the ultimate American convertible, loud, proud, and blisteringly fast. For pure, unfiltered thrills, nothing else comes close. The Z06 convertible is a masterpiece of engineering and emotion. It's a car that begs to be driven hard, top-down, V8 roaring. Chevrolet has set a new standard for performance convertibles. The Z06 is proof that the American dream is alive, and it sounds incredible. If you want the best of both worlds, track weapon and open-air cruiser, this is it. The Z06 convertible, America's answer to the world's best. It's not just a car, it's a legend in the making, and it's ready for the open road. The class of 2025 proves the convertible is thriving, evolving with electrification, luxury, and raw performance. From the silent Porsche Boxster EV to the roaring Corvette Z06, This year's lineup is a snapshot of an industry in transition. Whether you crave high-tech luxury, city fun, or pure speed, there's a drop top for every enthusiast. The resurgence is real. Open-air driving is more exciting than ever. Which 2025 convertible is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. For more deep dives into the latest cars, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The future of convertibles? It's wide open.